Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to merge tickets in Zoho Desk, quickly and easily. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Open your browser, go to the Zoho Desk website, and enter your login credentials. Next, head to the Tickets section. You'll find it on the sidebar or main dashboard. This is where all your customer queries are listed. After that, scroll through your tickets and identify the ones you want to merge. This is especially useful when a customer sends multiple messages about the same issue. Use the checkboxes beside each ticket to select them. Now look at the top menu bar. Once you've selected 2 or more tickets, the merge option will appear. Click it. Zoho will prompt you to confirm, click merge again. To complete the process, you'll see a final confirmation that says, yes, merge. Click that. And Zoho Desk will combine the selected tickets into one thread. Once merged, you'll have a clearer view of the customer's issue, and your support team can respond with better context. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.